You're going. Okay. All right. We've got Tallulah Creek. Let's see. All right. And this must be, I think this is where Long Creek comes in. And these homes are pretty lucky that they've got a good berm up there blocking the water, but they're still pretty wet, which I've got some pictures on there. And the rain seems to have stopped for now, so we'll see how that goes. All right.
Well, it's still drizzling a little bit.
All right, let's hope the rain stops and it doesn't flood anymore.
Hey, what's that?